Hi folks! If you're a jazz or blues enthusiast, one of the most iconic sounds you'll hear is from an acoustic bass. Acoustic basses come in a 4 or 5 string configuration. In this video we present 5 excellent acoustic basses for beginners. If there's one you think we've missed, drop a comment. Okay, let's get into it. Here are the top 5 best acoustic basses for beginners. The 5th product on our list is the TARIO 5. The TARIO 5-string electric acoustic bass is perfect for beginners on a budget. It's an excellent instrument for musicians who love to play different genres of music, from jazz to funk to rock to pop. The guitar comes in both left and right-handed variants. The body is well constructed, featuring a spruce top with mahogany back and sides. Mahogany is a lovely tone wood that gives you sweet overtones and a woody sound quality. With the spruce top, you'll get a blooming tone with sweet trebles that leans toward the mid-range frequencies. The 25-inch fingerboard gives you a complete tonal range, allowing you to explore different songs or genre. Of course, the aesthetics of the TARIO 5 are an important feature. It comes with a sleek black finish and uses a rosewood fingerboard, which many guitarists will love as it provides you with a warm sound that smooths over any rough notes you may produce. Another thing users of the TARIO 5 love is that it's easy to tune with its die-cast tuners. Here's something you should know before buying the TARIO 5. This is a basic guitar that's more suitable for entry-level users. If you're looking for a standard acoustic bass that does its job and does it well, the TARIO 5-string electric acoustic bass is a fantastic choice. The 4th product on our list is the Fender CB-60SCE. Who could forget about one of the most iconic names in music? Fender is a brand that produces guitars with fantastic sound and build quality. The Fender CB-60SCE is no exception. The first thing you'll notice is the aesthetic black body with a solid spruce top that gives off a bright and dynamic quality. The black body is complemented by natural accents that give off a premium feel. Musicians who enjoy gigging will appreciate that the Fender CB-60SCE weighs a mere 8.8 pounds or 4 kilograms, making it convenient to travel with. The mahogany back and sides give you a deeper range with more bass and treble plus woody overtones. The neck is easy to play with its rolled fingerboard edges that make it more comfortable to switch from chord to chord, especially during progressions. Another thing you'll enjoy is the onboard Fishman pickup preamp system. It features a variety of onboard controls for shaping your instrument's sound and volume. The great thing about the Fishman pickup preamp system is that it does not sacrifice your acoustic bass's pure, rich and resonant tone for volume. Beginners will love that the Fender CB-60SCE also boasts an onboard tuner that will make it easy to maintain your instrument. Here's something you should know before buying the Fender CB-60SCE. It's a 4-string acoustic bass, which may feel lacking for musicians who want a lower range. If you're in the market for a great quality acoustic bass, the Fender CB-60SCE is definitely one to look out for. The 3rd product on our list is the Cordoba Mini 2. The Cordoba Mini 2 is an adorable small body acoustic bass guitar roughly the size of a parlour acoustic. This makes it attractive for a few reasons. For seasoned musicians, it provides a lightweight and portable instrument that you can use as a travel or practice bass. Smaller musicians will find it easier to play, and it's also excellent for beginners who are still getting used to chords. The Mini 2 gives off a more natural feel with its wood finish. Unlike other guitars in this list, the Cordoba bass uses mahogany for its top, back and sides. This gives your instrument a unique voice that's more mellow, soft and balanced. Aside from this, the Mini 2 bass has a deeper body depth, giving you a well-rounded tone. One of the selling points of this bass is how lightweight it is at only 2.4 pounds or 1 kilogram. If you want to plug it into an amp, you can use the onboard Cordoba MB103 pickup. This is a 4-string bass, which makes it suitable for different genres. The tuning pegs are also durable and stable, so your instrument will stay in tune. Suppose you're in the market for an affordable yet high-quality acoustic bass. In that case, the Cordoba Mini 2 might be the one. The 2nd product on our list is the Ibanez 4-string acoustic bass. The Ibanez PCBE12MH is a well-crafted and aesthetically pleasing acoustic bass guitar that offers a great balance between affordability and quality. With its unique combination of tone woods and advanced electronics, the PCBE12MH is a perfect choice for both beginners and professionals. The guitar has a compact yet comfortable body made of mahogany back and sides, with an open pore natural finish, giving it a beautiful and natural look. The solid sapele top offers a rich, warm sound, which is further enhanced by the advanced electronics of the instrument. The Ibanez AEQ2T preamp and Fishman Sonicore pickup system work together to produce a clear and balanced sound with no interference or hum. The PCBE12MH has a 32-inch scale length, making it easier to play and handle than other acoustic basses. It also has a slim, comfortable neck and rosewood fretboard with 20 frets, making it an ideal choice for those who prefer a smooth and fast playing experience. Here's something you should know before buying the Ibanez PCBE12MH. Users note that this acoustic bass sounds better once you replace the strings it comes with. Overall, this Ibanez acoustic bass is an excellent acoustic bass guitar that offers great value for its price. For beginners or professionals on a budget, the Ibanez PCBE12MH is a great option that won't disappoint. The first product on our list is the Fender Kingman V2. The Fender Kingman V2 is an acoustic bass guitar that offers both impressive sound quality and stunning visual appeal. This updated version of the Kingman model features a solid spruce top, laminated mahogany back and sides, and a rosewood fretboard. The result is a bass guitar that offers rich and warm tones with excellent sustain and clarity. The Kingman V2 also features Fishman electronics, which enable the bass guitar to produce clear and dynamic amplified sounds. The built-in tuner and tone controls are also easy to use and allow for a range of tonal options. Additionally, the neck is comfortable to play and provides easy access to all 20 frets. This is an ideal feature for beginners who are still navigating their way around chords. The Kingman V2's standout feature is its unique aesthetic. This bass guitar boasts a classic Fender headstock and an attractive 3-ply gold pickguard. The stylish checkerboard rosette and snowflake inlays on the fretboard also add to its appeal. Of course, it comes in black and is accented by natural wood and specks of gold, giving it a luxurious feel. The Kingman V2 is a versatile bass guitar suitable for various styles of music. Its sound is full and resonant, making it an excellent choice for strumming or finger picking. It's also ideal for use in live performances or recording studios. Here's something you should know before buying the Fender Kingman V2. It's more expensive than the other instruments on this list, but for good reason. The Fender Kingman V2 is a high-quality acoustic bass guitar that combines great sound with stunning design. It's a solid choice for any beginner who is looking for a quality and stylish instrument that will allow you to grow as a musician. And there you have it, folks, the 5 acoustic basses for beginners that got us excited this year. If this video helped you in any way, let us know by giving it a like, and if you're new here, hitting the subscribe button. If you would like to see some more reviews from our team here at Gear Music Tech, check out this one on octave fuzz pedals on the left, or this one on bass gig bags on the right. We look forward to seeing you back here on Gear Music Tech soon. Bye for now.